In this video, we'll show you how to import data file and write the data to MSR Cards using EasyMSR app. The data contains information for 3 cards. Our demo will import and write this data to the 3 cards accordingly. First, we open the EasyMSR app. To begin, we will import the data file into EasyMSR. Tap the Manage Data button, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select the data file you want to import, and tap Open. Now the data file is loaded into EasyMSR, and you can also edit it directly within the app. Next, we connect the MSRX6 device via Bluetooth. Once it's connected, tap the Write from File button and select the imported data file. Now the device is ready to go. Let's swipe the cards. Start with card A. After swiping card 1, you'll notice that the data to write has updated. Next, swipe card B, and then swipe card C. After the third card is swiped, all the data has been written successfully. Finally, we can read the cards to check if the data was written correctly. As you can see, the data has been written to all 3 cards as expected. You can download the EasyMSR app on easymsr.net. Thank you for watching.